Hello everyone. Guys, we are here in the esteemed presence of our Vice Chancellor Sir, requesting you all to please settle down so that we can begin the ceremony. Volunteers, please help people settle down.
Hello everyone. We have the results and we are in the presence of our esteemed Vice Chancellor Sir. But since a lot of teams are not here, we cannot start. So please call all your friends, all the teams from the same contingent that you have. Because the more you delay this, the more the results will be delayed. So we really want to start in the next 5 minutes. Please help us to ensure that we can start in the next 5 minutes. Thank you.
सीएस को बुला दो ना। Cool. I'll start then. अरे ठीक है बैठने जा रही हूँ. Is it live now, Mithun? Is it live? Yeah.
My mom is saying
Yeah, yeah. Paused. Cool. Guys, link Mithun will float. So all of that is done.
There's just this is lagging. That's all. It's so long. Yeah. I told him started. I'll send it the link also.
वो आरिफ वारिफ को भेजने का हम बाद में करेंगे. यूट्यूब वीडियो बाद में बंदा देख सकता है. Can we
Saying
start?
that everyone.
We'll send the link. Mithun will send the link. Right?
All right, everybody, please settle down. People at the back. People at the back, if you guys could please sit down. All right, so hi guys, welcome to the most anticipated part of today's evening, the prize distribution ceremony for the 13th Inter-Varsity Debating Championship 2023. Woo! Before starting, I'd like to give a huge shout out to our sponsors who are Div Sridhar from AMR India Limited, Abir Dutt, our knowledge and stationery partners SCC Online and EBC. Without their support, this event would not have been possible at all. Now, I'd like to invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Sri Krishna Deva Rao, to address the gathering.
I always used to underscore the importance of debating as part of the legal education. I know moot court is given like a much priority as part of the co-curricular activities, but if you look at anyone in the public personality, whether a parliamentarian or a policy maker at the national, international level, if you look at them much more closely, they have evolved their personality as a debater. You ask the old conventional leaders, those who have emerged, you look at St. Stephen's debate competition or SRC or IITs, any other university, even if you look at, when I have taught in the National Law University in Cuttack, the Cuttack has a lot of debating culture. So debating culture is a very important part of the learning. And I'm glad that Nalsar is organizing for the past 13 years. This year we have 90 plus teams, those who have participated, 4 international adjudicators. That shows success of this event. Congratulations. And congratulations to the winner. But I wanted to appreciate those who were not successful but participated. Maybe double or triple congratulations those who have taken an initiative and participate in this. And wonderful, look back to you for more encouraging your friends and others to participate in the next year. Hopefully next year we will have more international participants and teams participating. Once again, I congratulate the organizing committee. Mahira, sorry for Mahira and Yash. Always I remember these two regularly used to come, and congratulations once again. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Now, I'd like to invite our tournament director, Mahira Gupta, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. I know it has been a long 3 days of competitive debating, so I'll keep this short. I am Mahira, the tournament director, prep for Ivy. I want to take a moment to thank everyone who made this possible. Firstly, I want to thank the college administration who have given their unwavering support to this event. Our Vice Chancellor, Sir Sri Krishna Deva Rao, and Registrar Vidyulata Ma'am, because they reposed a lot of trust in us with resources and finances, and I hope we did their trust justice. Talking about resources, we also received support from our sponsors, SCC ECC and AMR India Limited. Next, I want to appreciate all the help we received from our core adjudicators, Macharya, Hadar, Kavindra and Pranav, and deputy core adjudicators, Shraddha and Avyay, and our tab master, Bhaskar. Last year we said, if Ivy ever repeats a core, it'll be for Pranav. And it's 2023 and there he is again. We feel that the love is mutual and we love it. Their knowledge, experience and efforts have deeply enriched the quality of the debating at this event. I am very proud to announce that our third is only with the support of my fellow organizing committee members who took care of everything from logistics, finances, accommodation, registration, merchandise, and so much more, who made this tournament even remotely possible. I have always maintained that the backbone of the Ivy tournament is the first year volunteers and runners. It is heartwarming to see such an enthusiastic turnout by the first year batch who have been acting as volunteers, and it is only because of their commitment that things could run somewhat on time. I thank each and every one of you, and we promise to take you all for a little treat. Lastly, I also want to confess that the last couple of months have been a wreck for me, and I want to acknowledge and thank my mother and my sister, as well as my friends who supported me through this time and took care of me. You all know who you are. I want to reiterate that this is the 13th edition of Nalsar Ivy tournament, and I stand on the shoulders of the 12th tournament directors who stood here before me, who have founded and created the legacy that Ivy stands for, including the TD of the last edition, Arif, whose guidance was invaluable. However, my vote of thanks would be incomplete without addressing what makes Ivy, Ivy, which is you, each one of you. All of you who have traveled from all over the country, spent significant amount of money, and dedicated your entire weekend to Ivy. I am thankful to each one of you for being here for these 3 days. With all this heartfelt gratitude and nothing but satisfaction in my mind, I would give the stage to Anushka for prize distribution.
Alright guys, so it's time for the prize distribution ceremony. Are you all excited? So first, we have the adjudicator prizes. And we'll be announcing the top 5 edges for the competition. I'd like to invite Hadar Goldberg to felicitate the top 3 edges. Alright. You can stand at the front. Hadar, at the front.
Oh, that's the way we do. Okay. I thought I was here to put your names.
No. Alright. So, on the 3rd place, we have a 3-way tie between Rishad Dasgupta, Sachin Kishan, and Tanvi Arora. Yeah. Come and collect your trophy, guys. Congratulations. Second best edge goes to Mehul Joshi. And the best edge for this tournament is Rashdoom. Thank you, Hadar. Next, I'll be announcing the top 10 novice speakers. So at the 10th position, we have a 5-way tie between Atharv Joshi, Sumed Chatterjee, Ananya Kaushik, Raghav Dagar, and Durba Chatterjee. At the 7th best position, we have a 3-way tie between Sri Varshini VP, Yashvi Trivedi, and Araditya. Next, we have Shubhamkar Bhandari. For the 4th best novice charge, we have a 2-way tie between Srijan Daga, Purvi Reddy Dasari. Now, I'd like to Sorry, moving on. Third best novice speaker goes to Jerry Jose. Second best novice speaker goes to Pranav Krishna. And the best novice speaker for the tournament is Pranav Chaudhary. I invite Mahira Gupta to felicitate the winner. Is Pranav not here? Now it's time for the top 10 open speakers. I request Adar Goldberg to announce the same and Pranav Kagarkar to facilitate the top 3 speakers.
Yes. In the 10th place, we have a 3-way tie between Robin Ahuja, Mahor Nagda, and Aradon Belai. In the 8th place, we have a tie between Harsith and Malasia. In 5th best speaker, we have a 3-way tie between Lavanya Puri, Angad Singh, and Visai Ram. In 4th best, we have Shashwat Dash. In 2nd best, we have a 2-way tie of Abhishek Acharya and Shaurya Chadravanshi. And the best speaker of the Nalsar IV 2023. Oh yeah. I'll keep it in mist. And the best speaker of the Nalsar IV 2023 is Vansh Chadha.
Now it's time for the novice finalist winners. I would like to invite the chair for the round, Mehul, to come and announce the winners. And I would like to request Kavindra Senaratna to felicitate the winners.
Go to the names. Cool. Hi everyone. In the novice finals of Nalsar IV 2023, on opening government, we definitely didn't bribe the Aj. On opening opposition, we had some mitochondria bro. On closing government, we had Pranav's powerhouse. And on CO, we had B5 boys part 2. On panel, judging alongside with me, were Hadar, Kavindra, Sneha, and Yash. In a unanimous verdict, the winners, the novice winners of Nalsar IV 2023 is the team on CG, Pranav's powerhouse. And the novice runners-up of Nalsar IV 2023 are the team on opening opposition, some mitochondria bro.
Is the team not here? All right. Thank you, Mehul. Now it's time for the Open Grand Finals winner. I would like to invite Rush to announce the winners and our Honorable Vice Chancellor to felicitate the winners.
(2023) Open Finals. Who's gonna win? Any guesses? Okay, no one feels like guessing, so I guess we'll directly go on to it. Okay, fair. CG, yeah, sure. Okay, so on OG, we'd got Horset Jackman. On OO, we'd got West Delhi ki Soni Janania. Okay, I'm butchering this clearly. On CG, we've got South Delhi ki Soni Barbia. And on CO, we've got Shaurya and Lala Tendu. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to announce the finals best speaker. So on a 3-2 split, the best speaker of the Open Grand Finals of Nalsar IV 2023 is Shaurya Chandavanshi. Cool. So now onto the results. We had a very extensive deliberation and we discussed all the teams, of course. So on a unanimous call, we gave the Open Grand Finals of Nalsar IV 2023 to the team in closing opposition, Shaurya and Lala Tendu. Cool, and now to the open runners up. So we discussed this a lot in deliberation. It was very close between particular two teams. You're most requested to come to us for feedback and ask us like what went along in the debate, what our thoughts were. So on a 3-2 split with a chair, Sir Jackman. Thank you so much. Over to the OC.
We also have trophies for the other two grand finalists, who are West Delhi ki Soni Jananya and South Delhi ki Soni Barbia. Next, I'd like to invite our tournament director, Mahira Gupta, to present mementos to the CAs, DCAs, and TAB director. So first, we have the mementos for the CAs to express our gratitude for their unending support and constant guidance throughout the tournament. Going in alphabetical order, first we have Hadar Goldberg. Next, we have Kavindra Senaratna. Next, we have Joganam Acharya. Unfortunately, he is not here with us today. And lastly, we have Pranav Kagalkar. Now it's time for the mementos for the DCAs. We have Avya MC and Shraddha Kulkarni. And neither of them are here right now. And lastly, we have the memento for the TAB director, Bhaskar Agarwal, who single-handedly managed the entire tabbing process for the competition, and without whose support, this tournament would not have been possible. All right, with that, it's Anushka signing off. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. And congratulations to all the winners.